Hello, so this is Paul and this is Josep. We are the initial team behind Parsec Network, which is a state channel. So we're going to talk a little bit about our idea for EtherCamp hackathon. Our solution is addressed to the Internet of Value. We think that it promises big things for the future. We think that it will change how finance works and it will make world of finance fairer, but in order to move large parts of the financial industry onto a blockchain, smart contract enabled future, there are still missing things. We know blockchains are slow, they don't give confidentiality and many other problems. So we think there's a missing piece, and we intend to build a state channel for that. We have been working in the past very much with large-scale web scale problems, and we think we have a way to provide a solution that will allow the Internet of Value to scale the same way that the internet companies have scaled.
Absolutely. We think this is really important because the future of blockchain-based technologies promises to bring trust-free benefits to many existing systems, but without scale, there's not really much point in having a decentralized solution, because if you can't scale it to a global network, then what's the point in having a decentralized solution? You could all just sit around the table and thrash it out. So we really think it's important to bring ideas like state channels to this space so that we can scale out blockchain technologies at a global scale.
Yeah, so our solution, we have been working in the past with streaming and event sourcing technologies, and we know very much about a tool called Apache Kafka, which is used at companies like Uber or Netflix or LinkedIn to process trillions of messages per second, and we think we have the way to use these technologies to provide a solution that we think really will make it will make it possible. So so as we said, the team initially is Paul Oglesby and me. I Josep Casals. I have been working in IoT, machine learning, big scale streaming distributed systems, and also I have done some startups in the past. Paul will
Similarly, yeah, I've spent many years working in the data space, from building social networks from scratch to working in IoT and some academic research in natural language processing. So I've got a fair handle on machine learning. So I think it's fair to say that between us we've got a pretty good handle on what you need to think about to solve data problems, and at the core of all this, that's what blockchain is really. It's a scalable database, and we know how to build applications on scalable databases.
And we've worked together in the past, but we are open to anyone who wants to join and wants to contribute. We're proposing an open source solution. Absolutely. So main programming language will be Scala. We welcome anyone with Solidity. We have some limited experience in Solidity, so that would be great. Or anyone with experience in any streaming technologies, notably Apache Kafka. That also would be great. What we intend to do at the end of this hackathon is to do a proof of concept, and we think we can achieve something that can handle a large amount of transactions. We are aiming at something of the order of 100,000 transactions per second. So yeah, that's how we intend to impress the judges and so that we get their votes. So our longer term is, we would like this to become an important building block of the future Internet of Value, and yeah. So also,
really, if our proof of concept is realised, then there's no reason that a state channel to orchestrate payments between two parties could replace existing clearinghouses and bring the real principles of trust-free technologies to existing financial platforms.
And yeah, I would say join us. It's open source. We intend to make everything we do public and immediately available. And and we actually think that there is a possibility that we could make a fairer and better society. We think that what could come could lower the financial exclusion and could bring more people into a global financial system. And also we think there are large business opportunities into moving existing parts of the financial infrastructure into this new way of decentralized and fair way of doing finance. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Hope you will like it and join us.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
All right.